Talk about costing for Maximo for a moment. And I'm sure if you've done any research out there, you probably feel like it's all over the map and no rhyme, no reason for that, and can appreciate why it would feel that way. And there's no standard. There's no standard cost model. There's a standard for out of box, which if you've watched some of my videos, you've probably heard me say one size fits nobody. That's a standard price, right? But beyond that, everything is custom. It is configured to meet your needs and help you achieve your goals. And even within specific industries, we rarely see customers with more than a 50% overlap of how they do things. And that's because the way the business has grown, the way finance operates, the way the quality team operates, the way production schedules and manages things, and those create nuances in the process of how you have to plan your maintenance and reliability support around that, and it just changes it. And so while the data points might be 100% the same, the processes behind it can be wildly different and all valid because the context of the operation is just different. And that's why there's no standard cost model to it, because the way enterprises operate is very one-off. And there's deep information needed in order to get you a really solid estimate on what that is. We have another video that drives through that and what all of those things are. So if you're wondering that, go watch that. And if you just want to talk more about, well, hey, I just need to get some idea, or what am I looking at here? We're happy to have a conversation on that and get you as close as we can from a conversation. It's deep water, and having all the answers up front is rarely possible, and more often than not dangerous to try and get too close to an exact number without a lot of that detail being revealed. But hey, we're here to help. So reach out, give us a call, shoot us an email, sales@banetti.com. Our job is to help you guys get where you need to be. That's why we're here. So give us a call, like, subscribe, get ready with Banetti.